According to a survey conducted recently, nearly half of the respondents stated that on average they spend 5 to 6 hours on their phone daily. That's a lot of time, but I am sure that the majority doesn't know that there are plenty of apps to make money from their smartphone, and that's what we are covering in today's video. So make sure to watch till the end so you can start making money online using your smartphone. With that being said, let's jump straight into it. The first app is called App Karma, and now I'm over at their official website, appkarma.io. The very first thing we can notice about this app is the fact that it's available for both iOS and Android devices. And I will show you the app on Google Play in just a second. With that being said, App Karma will pay you for installing different apps on your smartphone, and you will gain points for every app you install. The number of points you earn depends on which app you install. Some pay more than others, but in any case you can then exchange those points for money, and that is how simple it is. You might be wondering how you can collect the payment. Well, App Karma offers PayPal and also top branded gift cards like Amazon, for example. I didn't see any other payment options apart from these. So if you happen to live in a country where PayPal is not supported, then I recommend you to watch our other video on the best apps to make money from your phone. The link will appear on the screen now. Other than that, you can see that App Karma pays you 300 points just for installing this app. That's a good start. You can't convert them to cash yet, as you have to gain more points on top of that. Something else that is far more important is the fact that they offer a referral program, as you can see. We won't talk much about this as you have to convince others to install this app, but I think it can be easily done. Just think about your friends, family, and people you know who have a smartphone and internet. Well, share your invite link or referrer code and make 30% of what your referrals earn. But if you have a big Instagram or Facebook account, then this will be a reliable source of additional passive points. You can also make more money if you play with the games you install on your smartphone. There are plenty of ways to gain more points, and the app itself encourages you to level up your reward level. You just need some consistency and dedication. We all spend a lot of time scrolling up and down our social media feed. Why not install this app instead and make some extra cash? This is probably one of the best apps to make money using your phone, and this is why it's not a bad idea to give it a try and refer your friends to increase your profit. We can also check the app on Google Play. This app is quite popular. We can see that it has over 300,000 reviews, which is a massive figure. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see that the vast majority of people rated it at 5 stars. And you can also read out some of the reviews to see how the app is perceived by the thousands of people who are using it to make money online with their smartphones. This is one of the most legit apps I can think of in this niche. So what are you waiting for? Install it today and start making money using your smartphone. And that's all for today. Make sure to check our other videos on how to make money online. And as always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you won't miss anything in the future. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.